Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run HTML code. First, open a basic text editor like Notepad or TextEdit and type your HTML. Next, save this file with a HTML extension, for example, my first page, HTML. Finally, locate your saved file and double-click it. Your default web browser will then open and display your HTML content. It's that simple to get started. For more advanced development, consider using a dedicated code editor like Visual Studio Code. These editors offer features such as syntax highlighting and auto-completion, making coding much easier. You can also install browser extensions that provide live previews, updating your page instantly as you type. For larger projects or dynamic content, setting up a local web server is highly recommended to simulate a real hosting environment. Encountering issues. Start by carefully checking your HTML syntax for any typos or missing tags. Even a small error can prevent your page from rendering correctly. Also, ensure that any linked resources, like images or style sheets, have the correct file paths. If you're making changes and they aren't showing up, try clearing your browser's cache. This often resolves display problems by forcing the browser to load the latest version of your page. To ensure your HTML is robust and accessible, always validate your code against web standards. This helps catch potential issues and improves compatibility across different browsers. Maintaining a well-organized file structure for your project is also crucial for long-term manageability, especially as your website grows. And hey, while you're coding, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.